Welcome to Why with Sticks. There's a strange rule that seems to run through almost everything. The less someone knows about a subject, the more confident they often are about it. And the more someone actually knows, the more they tend to doubt themselves. You've seen it. The person explaining something with total certainty and getting it completely wrong. The real expert who hedges every sentence. It has a name. It's called the Dunning-Kruger effect. And once you see it, you'll start spotting it everywhere, including, uncomfortably, in yourself. It began in 1999 with two psychologists at Cornell, David Dunning and Justin Kruger. They were partly inspired by a true story. A man had robbed two banks in broad daylight, no mask, no disguise, because he believed that rubbing lemon juice on his face would make him invisible to cameras. When the police showed him the footage, he was genuinely stunned, and it made the researchers wonder, what if being bad at something also makes you bad at knowing you're bad at it? So they tested people on humor, grammar, and logic. Then they asked each person one extra question. How well do you think you did? The pattern was remarkably consistent. The people who scored the worst were the most sure they'd done well, far above average. And the people who actually scored the best slightly underestimated themselves. The worse someone was, the less they could see it. Here's the heart of it. The exact skills you need to be good at something are the same skills you need to judge whether you're good at it. If you don't know the rules of grammar, you can't spot your own grammar mistakes, and you also can't tell that you're making them, so you fail twice. Once at the tasks, and once at seeing that you failed. Your incompetence hides itself. But the effect has a second half, and it's just as strange. True experts often assume things are obvious to everyone because the material feels easy to them. They figure it must feel easy to you too, so they quietly underrate themselves. It's why real expertise so often comes with a calm voice and a lot of, well, it depends. Now, you've probably seen the famous graph. A giant Mount Stupid spiking up, then a crash into a valley of despair. It's all over the internet. Here's the honest part. That dramatic curve isn't actually what Dunning and Kruger found. The real effect is gentler and messier than the meme. Some scientists even argue part of it is a statistical illusion, that almost everyone rates themselves a little above average and the maths does the rest. The truth is subtler than the cartoon, but the core finding has held up. People who lack a skill struggle to see that they lack it. And here's the part that should keep every one of us humble. This isn't really about other people, it's about being human. You're an expert in a few things and a beginner in most, which means there are whole areas where you are confidently, invisibly wrong right now, and you can't feel it. So how do you escape a blind spot you can't even see? You can't, not alone. You need the one thing the effect can't survive. Feedback. Honest feedback from people who know more than you. The moment you learn just enough to glimpse how much you don't know, the illusion starts to crack. The cruel joke of the Dunning-Kruger effect is that the cure is the very thing it hides, knowing what you don't know. So maybe the most confident thing you can ever say is, I'm not sure. Show me. The beginner and the expert often feel the exact same certainty. The difference is that the expert earned the right to doubt. Stay curious, stay humble, and I'll see you in the next one. If this made you think, subscribe. It's the kind of curiosity this channel is built on.